Hi everybody, this is CR number 13, helper video number 4. It says if 2x minus 41 is equal to 13, find the value of x. Well, this means I'm solving. And if I'm solving, I am finding that value of x, so I need to get x by itself. So the first thing I always start with is my ladder. My ladder distinguishes the left from the right, and anything I do to one side I do to the other. Hopefully your ladder's neater than mine. First thing I have to do is I have to look on the left side where the x value is. And I ask myself, is there anything being added or subtracted from the variable? And there is. There's a subtraction of 41. So I need to zero that out. Opposite of subtraction is addition. Anything I do to one side, I do to the other. So I'm going to go ahead and add this side. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Bring down my equal sign. These zero out. And I have a 2x left on that side. Now I know the 2 and the x are attached by multiplication. I have to get rid of the 2, so I have to undo multiplication with division. Anything I do to one side, I do to the other. I always divide by what's attached to the x, because 2 divided by 2 is a fancy form of 1, which is what I want, 1x on that side. Now 54 divided by 2, you can use a calculator if you would like. I'm fine with that. But 2 goes into 5 twice. That's 4. If I subtract and bring down the 4, 2 goes into 14 7 times. So my answer for this one is x equals 27, and there it is. Good luck.